Oh, it's 10:30 at night and I still need to do a video and post because I'm doing this skating every day and posting on YouTube every day. And today is 21 and it's been a rough day. But I'm about to do a video. It might be short. I've got to skate. I got to stay committed. Whew. Here we go. It's a day. I don't want to post. I just want to go to bed because I had a really rough day. But it's okay. It's okay. I committed. I've got my skates and we're doing this. To learn the basic step touch in roller skating. If you're brand new or semi like kind of newish, here's a basic step touch move to like work on your balance and really get kind of used to the skates. So you got you're right here, about shoulder width apart, and you're just step touching. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. You don't have to go as far as me. If it's right here, just keep it right here. This works on your balance. This works on really kind of getting used to you and your feet. And getting used to the weight of the skates. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Balance like this. If you feel like you can't even balance on 2 feet, hold on to something. I started off holding on to this countertop. I'll have to show you guys videos. So over here, shoulder width apart, we're step touching. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. You get here, get used to this. Like I said, you're getting used to the weight of the skates. This works on balance. And when you get to the point where you're like, you know what, I think I might let go, you can let go. Step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Boom, step touch. And you want to work on, you get some music. That is the best for me. Roller dance, having some music on. Put your favorite music on, okay? I can't play music right now, but you get your music on, you're like, hey, oh, step touch, get busy, step touch. Put your favorite music on and you really feel this step. It's a whole new, it makes a whole difference when you got some good music on, your favorite music on. Put your favorite music on and step touch, step touch, step touch, step touch, step touch, and get into it, and get into it. There you go. A basic step touch move works on your balance, works on your it works on your whole legs, your whole core here. Getting used to the weight of the skates because skates they're heavy. So, boom. Okay, you guys, just a basic step touch. Get your favorite song on. You really get into it because you know when you get your favorite song on, you just can't help but move. Your body just kind of moves and goes with the flow of the music, and it makes that move that you're learning so much easier. But yeah, just start with that basic step touch. If you need to hang on to something, hang on to something. If you need 2 chairs to put both hands on, do that too. That's it, guys. There you have it. The first how to step touch. It's a very, very beginner, basic step touch. Add some music, get your groove on. You'll feel a whole world of difference. That's the only way I can do roller dance is with music. And you can really just make it your own style. When you're ready for music, I say start with music because you just automatically gonna be like, okay, I got this, instead of just like, I mean, you can do what you want to do, but I feel like with music, you just feel the music. Get your favorite music on, step touch, step touch. Anyway, you get the idea. It's late, I gotta go to bed. I gotta upload this video for tomorrow, and I'll see you on day 22. Oh, remember you guys, let's spread the love. Hashtag Hope Crew. If you're part of it, want to be part of it, if you know what it is, Hashtag Hope Crew. Let me know in the comments if you're part of the Hope Crew. I think it's amazing how we're supporting everybody, and oh my, what Dash and Dash of Faith are doing for us new YouTubers. Let's spread the love. Just put in the comments hashtag Hope Crew. Let's go.